Okay, we are going to differentiate e to the z over z minus 1 power. So notice that this part right here is the inner function, and we will have to use the quotient rule for that. But firstly though, when we differentiate e to the something, well, that part repeats first. So let's just go ahead and write down e to this, which is z over z minus 1. Now, for this, we have to use the chain rule, right? We will have to multiply by the derivative of that, and that requires the quotient rule. Here we go. I'm going to just open a fraction bar, well, put on the fraction bar, and then we first square the bottom. So I will have z minus 1, and then we square that. Okay, and then for the top, remember we put on the bottom function first, which is z minus 1, and we multiply by the derivative of the top. Derivative of z is equal to 1, and then we minus the top function, which is z, and then we multiply by the derivative of the bottom. Derivative of z minus 1 is just 1, so that's what we have. And here we can actually clean things up a little bit. So this times 1 is just same thing, right? Z minus 1, and then we will have to minus z right here. And we see that z and minus z cancel, so we just have negative 1 over that. So lastly, we'll just write down the answer like this. So it really depends how you want to write it. Perhaps we can just put negative right here, and then this part on the numerator, so we will just have e raised to the z over z minus 1, and then over this for the denominator, which is z minus 1, parentheses, and we square. Yeah, so this is what we have. Looks pretty cool in my opinion.